Today, we're diving into the Corsair CX550M, a powerhouse of a power supply unit, PSU, designed to meet the demands of modern PC builds. With an output of 550 watts and an 80+ bronze certification, it boasts efficiency levels up to 85%, ensuring that your system gets reliable power while keeping energy consumption in check. One of the standout features of the CX550M is its ATX12V version 2.4 compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, this PSU has got you covered. Plus, with a continuous output rated temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, you can trust it to perform consistently even under heavy loads. Cooling is essential for any PSU, and Corsair doesn't disappoint with the CX550M. Equipped with a 12 cm fan, it efficiently dissipates heat while keeping noise levels to a minimum. This means you can enjoy a quieter computing experience without sacrificing on cooling performance. Another highlight of the CX550M is its cable management system. Say goodbye to cluttered cables inside your case, as this PSU comes with neatly organized cables that make installation a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a novice, you'll appreciate the thought that Corsair has put into making cable management hassle-free. In terms of compatibility, the CX550M works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, making it an ideal choice for your personal computer build. Whether you're pairing it with high-end components or keeping it budget-friendly, this PSU delivers the power you need without compromise. Overall, the Corsair CX550M is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable, efficient, and affordable power supply unit. With its combination of performance, features, and quality construction, it's sure to meet the demands of your PC build, making it a worthy investment for any enthusiast or professional alike. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.